Finding off-market real estate deals can totally change the game for investors, since these hidden gems usually come with less competition and better prices. We are growthsense.com, your go-to directory for off-market real estate buying and selling, and here are 7 ways real estate investment groups unlock off-market deals. Number 1. Networking with other real estate professionals. Building solid relationships with agents, brokers, and property managers gives you insider info on properties before they're listed. Sometimes just grabbing coffee with a local agent can lead to a tip on a seller wanting a quick, off-market deal. Number 2. Direct mail campaigns. Sending targeted mailers to owners in your desired neighborhoods can spark conversations with those ready to sell but haven't listed yet. Personalizing the message makes it feel less like a sales pitch and more like a genuine offer. Number 3. Driving for dollars. This old-school tactic means cruising neighborhoods looking for distressed or vacant homes, then finding out who owns them to reach out directly. It's hands-on, but can uncover motivated sellers ready to move fast. Number 4. Working with wholesalers. Wholesalers specialize in hunting down off-market deals and can hook you up with properties you wouldn't find otherwise. They often have a network of motivated sellers and move deals quicker with less competition. Number 5. Attending real estate auctions. Auctions like foreclosure or tax lien sales can be goldmines for overlooked properties. Do your homework before bidding and set a strict budget to avoid overpaying in the heat of the moment. Number 6. Leveraging online platforms. Using websites like Deal Machine or PropStream gives you access to leads and owner info not easily found elsewhere. Being proactive online opens doors that traditional methods might miss. Number 7. Monitoring public records. Keeping an eye on probate filings, court records, and tax liens can reveal potential sales before they hit the market. It takes patience but can lead to unique opportunities others don't catch. If you want to find these kinds of off-market deals fast, check out growthsense.com. It's built to connect you with hidden real estate opportunities that most buyers don't even know exist.